Okay. So my name is Rajpal. I'm from UP and I complete my master with political science. My hobbies are reading books, diary writing, and practicing yoga. So that's all about me.
Okay, that's great. Where are you from? Because cut the voice.
Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Okay, UP. So which place you all belong?
Rampur district.
Okay. So I am introduce myself, then I can start. I am Preeti Pandey. I am from UP. In UP, basically, I belong to Gorakhpur. If I am talking about my qualification, I have completed graduation biology and chemistry. I have completed B.Ed and I also cracked the UP TET and CTET. Now I am preparing for government teacher examination and I am totally beginner. I am learning this language only on 2 months ago. If I'm talking about my hobby, I love reading, writing, and painting. I write poem. It is all about me.
Yes, nice to
So
hear.
you are preparing something
Yes,
because behind your in
yes,
what
I'm
some map. So that's why I am asking.
yes, right. I'm prepping for the civil services.
Okay. So how long have been learning this language?
1 year. It has been. I have complete 1 year.
1 year. Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so we okay, tell me. Go ahead.
just no, nothing. I'm just asking for the topics. Do you have any topics or just like that?
So a random topic. If you talk about education, so you can talk.
Okay. Uh, you want to ask something?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. So you first of all you tell me about your YouTube channel. Then we will go further.
Okay, I am because I also mentioned that I am also beginner. So I recently start my YouTube channel. There are upload only for our conversation video. I don't have lots of time, so I am not focused about more YouTube channel, but I am focused about learning this language. There are upload some few video only for if someone someone watching my video and he and she comment me, so I like it that I am doing great. It is all about me. I am not thinking about that more subscriber and more viewers. Yeah, if you have get to, it is good, but I'm not like passionate about because I am also mother 6 month old kid. I am passionate about only on learning this language. If I am speak very well, if I am create good content, so of course people watch me. It is all
Yeah.
about me. I am totally beginner. I have started only 1 month ago YouTube channel.
Okay. Guess you have the good idea.
I'm not thinking like more that, but one day I watch some random person talk and conversation video upload on YouTube. Then I am thinking about when I was child that time learning this language, and that time I have little bit time because you know about you are in UP or you are know about very well what is a condition vacancy. So that time I am not preparing very serious about any examination because there is no vacancy. Only I am preparing for BPSC Bihar. There are not coming date, so that's why I am not preparing very serious. I am preparing but not preparing very serious, so I have little bit time. So I think let's start YouTube channel and upload some video, and I want to learn this language so I can learn this language because yeah, I am passionate about becoming a teacher, so I love teaching. So when I am upload something, so that time I feel good if someone learns something in my video, if someone motivate in my video. only for this, because nowadays I am totally housewife. So that, and I want to teach someone because I love teaching, and there is no environment because I am belong to village. So that's why it is a great opportunity if you want to connect people and you want to share your thought and you are motivate any other with your video. So that's why I am upload
Yeah,
video.
yes, right. You are talking in very flow.
And I also enjoying this journey because I am not feeling bored, like demotivated. Sometimes I am demotivated. That time I watch my YouTube channel. Someone like me and someone comment me, someone subscribe me. So that time I motivate and I can start again.
Yes, of course. When if we are getting demotivated, yes, if we are getting the demotivate, so ultimately the losses will be to us, not to someone else. Yes, this is during this journey we face a lot of the challenges. So what we feel that better we will able to speak or not, like other people, the learners. But yes, I think we should come out from that mindset. And yeah, and like when we are in this journey, I yes, I also face the same challenges. When I also started my journey, I also had the same challenges, having underconfidence and not having the partners. But now we have the groups, I mean these groups. Previously I also didn't have that much environment. I used to drop the message to the YouTubers, so I also didn't get the response to the YouTubers. But now I think a lot of the things are very good on this group. So something I think when we get the demotivated, so we just start thinking that why did we start our journey. So everything I think okay when we think about that why we have to learn this language if we have the definite purpose.
Okay, so I could ask some question because you can speak very well.
Okay, you can ask.
So when you are start, like your starting time when you was beginner, so how can you start? Because everyone think about how can you start if I am beginner. So what is your journey when you are start?
Just 1 second. Yes. Actually, someone messaging me to have the conversation, so I'm just giving the reply. Yes. So
Yeah,
what?
okay, okay. Tell me.
Yes. Yes. So I think first of all we need to see our, I mean the stage in which state we are. If we are totally beginner, so we should keep the focus on the grammar so that we can, inculcate some you can say knowledge about the grammar. If we have a little bit knowledge of the grammar, we should start by speaking with ourselves, not the other, because what happened we are the beginners, so we feel very underconfident. But the moment we get little bit you can see the knowledge of the grammar, so we can talk to others. That is I think the simple filter which I follow. I start by having the conversation with myself. I used to record my own sessions, and then I came to audio call. I used to talk on the audio call, and after that I came to video call. So that process took around 3 to 4 months, coming on the video call, because that was not so easy for me. I'm also from the village, and in the village no one speak, everyone speak in the Hindi. So that was long journey. 1 year is very long, very longer time.
Okay, okay, that's great. So you are using any other app like any Chat
Right.
GPT and other AC Fluency, any other app? If,
Yes, I'm using ChatGPT. I do practice on the ChatGPT, and very soon
okay,
I'm.
I also using Chat GPT that time, so that's why I am asking. So what is your experience? Do you like Chat GPT function?
Yes, I do like, and yes, very soon I'm going to record a session with the ChatGPT, and I would upload on my YouTube channel. Yes, I like that because what I feel, because multiple things are there in the ChatGPT. First of all, but we need to understand that ChatGPT is the AI, and that is a program. What happens sometimes that we think that it is making our, it is telling our mistake. It's not like that. Some what happen, we speak very rightly, and then we will look at the solution, our conversation, so we feel that we get to know that you are making the mistake. It's not like that, because chat gpt, because that is the, I think that is not human being. So because in my case what happened today, I was talking to that, there was the one person, I mean that was the AI, not the virtual person. So I was just talking to him. So when after conversation, the whole the talk, so I just saw the, you can say, the result, because I'm the someone who totally believe in the having the feedback. So I saw the feedback. So he was telling me that you made that mistake, but I got to know that it's was not mistake, because sometimes what happened that Chat GTP, I mean ChatGPT doesn't hear to you properly. So it think and it take the lot of the purchase. So yes, I do that, and I think it is very helpful for us if we use in the proper way. And but recently I joined it around 1 week ago.
Okay, I am not know about more function ChatGPT, but I use it only for writing because I am not that kind person who is enjoying writing. So if you beginner, I think writing is the most important. If you speak and listen, so you can start writing, so you can improve very soon. So I start writing in ChatGPT when I write like one paragraph and two paragraph, and then he correct me. So I like that time.
Okay. Okay, so that function I haven't, I mean, busy so far. I don't spend that much time. I spend around 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not more than that, because I think because I have the other task also. So I just take 5, 10, 15. That whenever I get the times and I feel that okay, let's talk to the ChatGPT. So I just go there and just talk to them.
And I also using to improve my like pronunciation, because whole day I speak my mother tongue like Bhojpuri. So when try to speak that time, I feel that I speak like Hindi. So I start use ChatGPT. So he also improve my pronunciation. So I like this function.